2020. It's been a weird one. Let's talk about it. So, 2020, it's been a bit of a weird one, hasn't it? It's been a bit, I don't know, it's been hard work, but we're getting towards the end of it now, and I don't really think that 2021 is going to be much different at the beginning, but I think we can try and hope at least that we'll get back to some kind of normality maybe towards the mid-time next year. I would hope so anyway. But this video isn't going to be all doom and gloom. I want to just really look back at the year that's been, what I've been up to, some things that I've got up to that I still can't really talk about yet, but I do want to touch on it because it's really exciting. And then I also want to talk a little bit about planning for the future, what's changing, what I'm expecting to do and what I'm hoping to do. So first of all, having a look back over the year that's been 2020. It's been a weird one, like I said at the start, but I do want to say that I didn't get out as much content as I hoped I would have done. I'd got loads of different projects planned, I'd got all different bits and bobs I wanted to do. I wanted to try and get out and travel a little bit as well for a change, because I never leave anyway. Of course, that went out the window, but never mind. I did get one of my favourite projects to date done this year, and that was the Gruffalo beds. Probably took half a year to get them done, but it doesn't matter, I got them done in the end, and the kids, they loved them, absolutely loved them. I got some great pictures sent through as well, so I really enjoyed working on that, and it makes all the difference as well when you put that time and effort into something and then the payoff at the end that they actually really like it. So I did enjoy that one. That video will be linked in the description if you didn't manage to see it. I kind of started it when lockdown first kicked off. So I did like the Isolate and Create series, where I was doing bits and bobs like updates as I was going along, but it's kind of just a quick run through video I think you prefer to see, because it was a long one. It did take me quite a while, but I like that one a lot. I want to mention as well the idea that I had, I think it was back in 2019, I want to say, for Maker Festival. This came off the back of when we was having Maker Central and all the different little events that was going on, and my plan was to find a venue, something like a campsite, but I was ideally hoping for like places that would have log cabins as well as options to put like tents up and stuff, because I kind of like the idea of going to events to meet people. Don't get me wrong, the stands and like the discounts and sales that you get, them great, but my main draw to go to something like Maker Central or other events is just to meet the people there. So I thought about why not just get rid of like all the sales stuff and just have a big meetup, but over a weekend or something. So I did start looking. I was looking at different venues. I went out and checked a few, and then of course this year that completely went out the window. No real option for me to carry on with that, but I have still been looking, and I'm still determined to actually get something sorted. As you can imagine, there's not going to be any kind of time frame behind it now, and there wasn't to start with, but I was at least hoping for like something within a year or two that I could actually put out there. Again, who knows what the future's going to hold, but I do want to keep looking. So if you've got any venue recommendations, where could we hold it? I'm hoping that we could get a couple hundred people there. I think that would be amazing. So it's going to have to be a pretty decent site. There's some contenders. Money is quite a lot involved with it, but again, there's got to be ways around it, so I will keep looking. And I just want to keep you updated about it, because I haven't forgot about it. And I said in the video, whatever the circumstances, it will happen. I didn't plan for a pandemic, so I think I can be loosed off the hook for that one. But when things settle down and we get back to some kind of normality, Maker Festival will be a thing. I'm determined to make it happen. Now, towards the end of 2020, you might have noticed that there was a couple of months period where I didn't put out any videos whatsoever. That was around September, October time. And basically what happened there was I got an opportunity that was amazing. I'm still under contracts and everything that I can't talk about it, and I hate bringing it up because I can't talk about it, but I did have quite a few messages, people checking if I was okay and stuff. I was fine, nothing health wise, still plodding on kind of thing, but that time period I was just really busy. I'm hoping that in the new year I'll be able to talk a little bit more about it. It is worth the wait, trust me. It's really exciting, at least I think it's really exciting. I can't wait to like just talk about it and to get it out there, but it's a good one. So keep tuned, keep subscribed. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, because this is going to be a good one. I really enjoyed it. It's been a great experience, and when I can tell you, I will tell you. You may have also seen in my recent video that I've now got a job. I've got a full-time job and it's thanks to everything I've been doing on YouTube, really. Everything I've picked up in terms of making videos, editing, social media, all that kind of stuff, because I've actually got a job as a content creator now. So it's basically what I'm doing for myself on this channel, but it's going to be for on a budget. Now they've got a huge Facebook following, and we're going to hope to grow their YouTube channel as well. So that's going to be one to look out for, because I'm going to be creating videos for them on a regular basis, be coming up with all different projects and tips and tricks and all that kind of stuff. And I'd love to get some ideas from you. Like, if you've got anything that you'd like to see on there, do let me know, because obviously it's going to be happening a lot now. So I'm really looking forward to it. I've got my first video out. I did a Christmas tray video, like a Christmas Eve tray. Went down okay. It was kind of just testing the water, get my eye in a little bit, because of course making something for myself is completely different to making a video for somebody else. But I think I've done alright. I've got a lot of projects planned coming up in the future, especially for this month, January coming up. It's January, it's like the month of getting things organised and storage ideas and all that kind of stuff, so they're going to be more targeted to that kind of idea. But do keep an eye out. I know I've said it, but it's linked in the description, so check it out. Get subscribed as well, because I want to get them subscribers up and at least get my videos watched when I put them up there. But now, what about this channel? Things are going to have to change because of this full-time job, but it's not going to change all that much. The main thing I'm going to have to acknowledge is the rate that the videos will come out on this channel will of course be less than it would have been if I hadn't got that job. But what I'm planning to do is make the projects much more in-depth when I do them. So I'm hoping that it'll be more of a quality more than quantity kind of thing. I have still got a lot of ideas for little quick videos, and I've actually got one coming out pretty soon. I spotted a product. I don't want to give it away because obviously I want you to watch that video, but I saw a product. I'd never seen it before, never seen it like designed like this, and I thought it could be a good idea to do kind of a little showcase video, like, have you seen this? So that's what I'm going to try and see what you think, because I think it's a good one, and I'm always spotting little bits and bobs like this, and I think it would be a good opportunity to just share, because we all spot things here and there and we think, does everybody know about this? But anyway, that'll come up. But as far as projects, first on my list is to make a computer desk, a new one, and I'm going to probably split that into two parts, because I want to weld some legs for it. And I've welded once, the videos on my channel, not great, so I've been getting some advice about that. And I'm going to do like a walnut top, but I'm thinking of including resin, but I don't want it to be a riverbed kind of table, so I want to play around with the design on that. So I'm thinking like a video just for the base, welding the legs, and a video just for the top, and then maybe like a compilation of putting it all together, just so you can see how the video turns out in the end. But that's top of my list. Priority wise, I've got to order the steel, order the resin, all that kind of stuff. I've also want to be doing a little storage unit for in my bedroom. I'm thinking for t-shirts and jeans and shorts and all that kind of stuff. I want it to kind of be the size range of perhaps a locker would be. It would kind of match my industrial kind of furniture that I've got in my bedroom. I might weld legs for the bottom, just so it's all in keeping, and I'll probably have some offcuts from the steel that I order for the desk, so that would be win-win. But again, that will be quite simple, but I do want to put a lot more time and effort into these videos, because there will be fewer and far between. When you see a video come up from me, I want you to know that it's going to actually be worth watching kind of thing. So again, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you get notifications. And of course, along with the projects, there's still going to be reviews, and there's still going to be those quick tip videos coming out. I recently brought the Triton thickness planer, so I'm going to be reviewing that. I've had it for about 2-3 weeks now. I still want to spend some more time with it, of course, get a proper feel for it. So far so good, so do wait for that main review, because I'm going to go through it, what I think of it, good things, bad things, compare it to the one that I had before, the old Titan thickness planer, just share my thoughts on it really. I think those videos tend to do pretty well, because I always look for reviews when I want to buy something new. So yeah, more reviews on the way as well. But talking about buying something new, you might notice this hoodie that I've got on. Now I got this design, I commissioned the design from Wartooth Designs. So again, link in the description, last time, I promise. But these are up for sale now on my website if you're interested in picking it up. I've also got my Average Joe's Joinery logo. I've got them in a t-shirt and a hoodie, so there's plenty of options there. I was going to do like a proper launch video for this particular design, and I think I still probably will, because I've got kind of a fun idea for it, because obviously, as you can see, it's kind of a wood DJ. My thought behind it was, whenever I'm like sanding with an orbital sander, I tend to put my headphones on and listen to dance music, because you can't hear lyrics when you're sanding, so you just got that beat, and you always feel like you're like a DJ on the decks. So that's my idea with it. So I'm thinking if I could do like a bit of a funny video like that, I'll probably do that. So I will do it, right? I've committed to it now. I will do it. There will be a launch video for it. But yeah, if you want to check it out, it's on my website, averagejoejoinery.com. And I'm going to end this update video here. I want to thank you all for following my channel for as long as you all have. It really means the world. It really does. And it's opened up that many opportunities to me. I genuinely can't thank you all enough. I enjoy it no end. I just love creating videos, and I love sharing what I get up to with you lot. I'm sure the videos I'm going to evolve over time. I might make them a bit more personal on this channel, because I think up till now I've kind of kept it more, what am I doing, here it is kind of thing. I might open it up a bit more, maybe a bit more videos like this, we'll see. But let me know if there's any content that you'd like to see, because I am listening and I will do my best to give you all what you'd enjoy. But yeah, 2020 has been a tough year. It's been a strange year. It won't be one that we'll forget very quickly. Let's hope 2021 will be better. Fingers crossed. Thank you all for watching. See you next year.